Here are the three boards that I ended up gluing. They're all under 15 inches and we're going to run them through the planer. And this will give us a good chance to check out the new Oneida Supercell in a real-time situation using the planer. And I've got a 15-inch planer, and we should get zero dust with the new Oneida system. So here's the extra hose I have that I use when I'm doing my surface planing with the planer, and that will come over here into my other garage, and that hooks right in there where it says 15-inch planer. So it literally has a direct shot from the machine straight to the planer, and there should be zero dust and or chips escaping. The 15-inch planer always seems to be the thing that you have the most trouble with on dust collection because it just produces so much. And we're using the Shop Fox W1742 planer, and we'll see how that comes out. So one of the problems I always found when you were planing the boards, the hose always got in the way. So my setup is I got the hose coming down, and so that it ain't lower, I don't want my wood hitting it, I just took a clamp, set it on the ground, zip tied the hose to it, and then I come out of the chute with a hard 90, and this way my board has free access to pass through underneath, and it makes it quite simple. So we have a 10-foot long mahogany board, and I've got 3 of those. They're about 2 inches, and we're going to plane them down to get the surfaces flat and even because we had a little bit of cupping. As you'll see, there is no chips, no dust, nothing is escaping. And I have to say, this is the first time I've ever used a planer where I didn't have it bogging down with the chips and the sawdust just from any planing I did. The old system just couldn't handle the planer. But as you can see here, not a problem at all. And I'll show you from another angle as well. Okay, we're going to run it through again, and on this run you'll see that it is taking the cut from the full width of the board, so we're getting down into about as much as you can generate on a 15-inch planer, and nothing. You'll get no blowback when you get to the end. Everything is being sucked out, and this new Oneida Supercell has, won me over completely. I've never had this much success with getting rid of all the dust. Here's another angle, and as you can see, it's taking the full width of the board, and there's nothing. You see nothing coming out anywhere. And I'll show you another shot from the back where you can see the chips going through the tube. And this is the way you want it when you're doing planing on 15-inch wide boards. So if you watch the tube right here, you can see the sawdust going through the tube at a very high velocity. And it's kind of faint, but you should be able to see that. And I will show you a little bit more. But yeah, nothing is escaping. It's all going straight into the collector. I need to put a window in one of these tubes so that it would be clear Yeah, you can definitely see the volume that's going through there and the speed at which it is going through there. So I can't be more pleased with this Supercell. So I hope you enjoyed the little video, and once again I highly recommend the Supercell. I have no reason not to. I did another video showing the installation, and I just wanted to show how it actually worked in real time when you're actually doing a project.